Next we have a B section. We're going to start with our fingers here pretty close together. A thumb on B flat, our 2 on the white, the C there, and 3 on the black right next to it. We're going to go bottom up to middle, teeter back down, and back up again. 4 up to that black note, E flat, and all the way back down. So one more time, bottom to middle, teeter-totter. Second time, 4 down to bottom. And then we're going to play 6 times this B flat. That's pretty tricky. So we play this. Then you're going to come over with your 3 finger to that middle black note, A flat. Then come back up on your 4 finger to top. Then put your 2 and 1 on black notes and play those. So all together. And we're going to come back and play that B flat 6 times again. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross over again with our 3 finger, play middle up to top. And now we've got an F minor chord that we're going to outline top to bottom. And we're going to stretch the pinky up one more. And finally up an octave. And that's the right hand. Let's review. Section B, right hand. Playing that B flat 6 times. Crossing over with a 3, middle to top. Two, 1 on blacks. Repeating the B flat again. Crossing over with our 3, middle to top. This time reaching all the way up to the C. And then we're going to go down to middle bottom. Stretch up the pinky 1 note. Again. Octave is when we stop. Left hand, you can't find a simpler one. We're just going to play 2 notes. We've got F and B flat. I find it most comfortable with my 2 finger. We're going to start on the top note. And you just hold that bad boy for a long time. Then the left hand's going to lead with the F. Left hand leads again. And that's all there is to that. Hands together. Left hand leads.